Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bills, Logan Burgess. Today we had here a market moving lower after a couple days of sharp buying. We had corn down 8 3/4 cents, soybeans down 13 3/4, and Chicago wheat trading down 3 1/4 cents here on the day. Logan, one of the biggest pieces of news that came out today was the NOPA crush numbers. You know, analysts were expecting a significant crush number here.
Right.
Is this what turned us around in the trade?
You know, it could have been. Certainly the numbers that we got out today from NOPA were not supportive when looking at soybeans crush during the month of September. Take a look at this slide here. You can see NOPA reported 99.97 million bushels crushed. This was about 7 million bushels below trade expectations coming into the report. So it significantly missed those expectations. One thing to keep in mind is that this was really the last report detailing 2013-14 bushels being crushed. So a lot of people are looking at that as a factor, kind of keeping a lid on this monthly crush figure. But as you said, Cody, it really all comes back to how did this perform relative to expectations, and clearly today's number missed the mark. It could have helped move this market lower really into the close.
Absolutely, and when you look at the trade action here, you'll notice that we started selling off from those early highs here before the report came out. By the time the report did come out here, we were trying to rebound. We ended up cupping back over and closing out near the lows. When you look at this sort of trade action, that huge spike earlier on in the trade, I think that was with expectations of NOPA actually crushing. Expectations were for them to be crushing the most beans here since September of 2009. We just did not see that, and I think part of that, those weak numbers here contributed to this sort of pattern, which I think is indicative of some continuation selling here tomorrow.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out tomorrow. Typically on Thursdays we do get the export sales report out, but that will be delayed a day until Friday with the Columbus Day holiday on Monday. So tomorrow is going to be kind of a relatively quiet day in terms of fundamental news. No major reports out. We'll have to keep an eye on outside markets. That certainly was a factor in the trade today. We had a weaker dollar index. Equity markets off sharply, crude oil continuing to move lower. So there's a lot of moving pieces to this market right now. If you're out harvesting this year's corn, soybeans, or wheat crop, you can visit us over at GrainHedge.com and take a demo of our mobile trading platform. You can get live quotes from Chicago in the cab of the combine on your mobile phone or your tablet. So visit us at GrainHedge.com if you're interested in taking a look. Give us a call at the office if you have any questions, 877-472-4607. Have a good one.